who is online. Well, welcome back. Let's see who is online. Switchy, switchy, switchy. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to try go back to the moldy flumps. I'm a bit heavy. Why am I so heavy? Just probably all the rubbish I'm carrying. Could be all this ammo that I've got. Right. Let's read the terminal. Oh, I'm just going to sell the that ammo, as I don't need it. I've got a mix of stuff. I pick up some crap. Sell the shrapnel actually. Is there any markup on shrapnel at the moment? No, there's no markup on shrapnel at all. So let's get rid of that and get rid of all this crap that I never ever use. Might do the old boost pill though. Auto loot might be good. Some more combat tokens might be good. What does that boost give me? 10% gain. And this is probably a better pill. Right, okay. So, just going to go back to the tent, see where we're at. With the tent, the flump tent, moldy flumps, which are mephoids for anybody who's not. Flumps are pfeffoids and moldy flumps are mephoids. So ray gun, right. TP in. Should get fairly close. I do need to do though, because I need to. Sound is a bit odd at the moment, to be honest. Apply. So let's use the old TP chip. Into Dustkeep Valley. So there's the entrance. I am very heavy. What the hell's going on here? What am I carrying that's so heavy? It's a bit scary, isn't it? Thump. Heal up. Which one was I using? 3. Alright, so 120. I'm just making out. That was 120 peds worth of ammo. 127 beds worth of ammo, if I remember rightly, which is universal from my loot boxes. Let's see, is there anything in here? This is the Warchi Sanctuary. With any luck, this will kick off. It's a bit foggy in here, which is a bit weird. 1 second. Okay. Wave 1 in 30 seconds. So just stand on the edge. See how it goes. See how it pans out. I am watching the feed this time if anybody else chips in, and I missed the question last time when I was just doing the web shop video, and I apologise profusely. If anybody has any questions, please type them in the chat box but I will answer. By typing. Simply because I'm rubbish at typing. Sorry, I will answer verbally rather than typing. I'm lagging a bit here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pop a pill anyway. That's increased. It's increased the crits and stuff, I think. The guy asking a question about? I missed it as it went by. Watch my health. I'm getting a bit hit. I might have to go up. I'm gonna have to go up a gun, aren't I? What gun was I using? I was using this thing. That's why. That's why it's not working. Wrong gun. Wrong gun. Swirling or two here. Oops. Put the auto loop pill on as well, but I'm not holding long enough. So far, loot is crap. But hey ho. Don't walk on my keyboard. Or knock me lamp over. Ah, dog. Cat. So, well, that was alright. That was just short of a global. Look at that. Just short of 50 pet. Okay. So, let's heal up a bit. Not that I need to really, but... That's a bit unusual. only spawned on the other side of the tent. Oh. Just looks at spawn there thinking, there's only like 4, but maybe the others are behind me somewhere. Okay. So, anybody who's not seen the wave, this is a wave event, shared loot wave. Basically, every 4 or 5 minutes, I think, resets. So as long as somebody enters the tent, then the spawns will start, the waves will start. 5, I think, 5 waves, and then the boss, which is the war chieftain, the war chief guy. That's not bad. Which one was that? I'm just waiting for it to appear because it's a bit slow on the old screen. Or maybe I missed it already. Cat will not sit on my mouse hand. Oh! Shh. Cat! Get down, babe. Just died, that's rubbish. It's really embarrassing. I'm checking to see what size that other global was. That's really embarrassing. I'll check before I TP back. It actually didn't show on the list. Didn't show in the list. Which is a bit dumb, isn't it? There was at least 89 peds worth of ammo in there, so it wasn't too shabby. So I think we're in profit already. Let's hope it doesn't reset before I get back in. Preferably I can get there without. Get back in before it restarts. Because if there's nobody in there long enough, it bombs out, which is a bit of a pain. So I'm going to sneak up here with that, hopefully without picking any more up, because the other ones are not shared loot ones. Not that it matters really, because it's me. Oh crap. Just wait for it to restart again. Never mind, I don't mind loading on the non-shared loot one, seeing as I'm shooting anyway. More shrapnel. 54 page worth of shrapnel. I didn't have any before, so that's a good start. And I think the ammo would have gone up. There's 25 ped for that ammo. 90 ped BLP, so that's not bad. Clearly in profit. I'm liking the tent. Definitely liking the tent. Hi there, the one viewer I have, or the 2 viewers I have. Let's see, can we get some more swirlies? Keep the viewers happy. It'll restart again, I guess. I'll have to wait for it to finish first. Let me go out and back in and see whether it restarts then. Because there's a cooldown time before it restarts. Event 16. Oh, so it's not going to start just yet then. 16:55. Okay. Okay, so about a minute or so. Minute and a half before it restarts. So what I can do, I can just pick one of these off and pull it, bring him up onto there. Not sure he can get up the hill, bless him, give him a bit of help. A bit tougher. Possible, but a bit tougher. Does help, however, if you actually pay attention to what your health is like and what the hell you're doing. Always helps. Well, I should be able to kill this one and then the roost. Hopefully the spawn should restart. Well, quite a minute so. Yeah. Really a bit ped. Just had one shoot over my head. It's my tier level, my gun tearing up. Oh, it's a limited one, I'm not worried about that. I really care less about the tiering because I never use enhancers, so just let you know where it is. This particular event, this particular wave event starts here. It's right by where the location is for the Methoid challenge. Right. Another 2.5 ped. So 2.5 peds off those. This should start pretty soon. Don't know what I was about. I'll make a note for the highlight reel. It was about 10 minutes, I think. Have a look on the stream later. But. There you go. So it's restarted now, so I'm good. So I can just move into position. So as long as I stay in the, if you leave the event area for too long, then it restarts. Times out and restarts. Dying will do that basically. So we want more swirlies. In the moldy flump tent. Must admit, the auto shoot makes you lazy, has to be said, and that's how I end up dying because I'm not paying any attention. Wasn't too bad. It's 10.5 ped. This gun is pretty perfect for these. Size wise, level 18s, 20s. Struggles a bit further up. 2.5 ped. So, yeah, if anybody has any questions, please feel free to type them. I shall speak the answer because I can't type and shoot at the same time. I'm rubbish at that. Hence I always use TeamSpeak. Just hoping to get another swirly. Or 2 or 3. Living in the tent is pretty okay actually. Really another 2.5 ped? Well, 2 and a bit ped. If I get 2 to 3 ped on these on a regular basis, we're good. But it does help when you drop a 20 or a small global. 2.5 ped. Nothing exciting in the loop, but it's pretty good. Can't complain. Well, that's that wave. Ha! That's pretty good. 17, 18, oh, yeah, 30 yard. 30 and a half ped. 35 ped plus. I can live with that. Gun I'm using is this one, just for your information. It's level 25. It's one of the EU, not the EU, the somebody's joined me in the tent. Gogs has joined me in the tent. Ouch, that was a no looter. That's not so good. Oh dear. Let's hope they haven't ruined the loot. Oh, that's crap. Now there's 3 in the tent. Loot's gone off. I had a first no loot of today. Not good. Let's hope. Let's hope. Fan when people start stealing the same one. Can understand why. See, that was crap loot. We'll give it a few more. We'll give it a few goes and see if the loot continues to go crap. Then I'll bail and do something else. There's not really enough in here for 4 players. So that's better. Two enough. So I've got quite a few points on the old mission. 3,000 points I need. I've got 1966 points. Come on. Spawntastic. This might be wave 5, so the next one will be the War Chieftain. Oh, more company. 2 pair, looks alright. That was a ped. That wasn't so good, right. Oh, wave 5, okay. It's not the chieftain yet. I think there's one more wave and then it's the chieftain. Chieftain's 6, I think, if memory serves me. Glenwood. Down very fast though. Oh, that was shocking. 9 peck. That's awful. Sorry. I guess these are not shooting very eco. Too many people in here now. I think I got part of that. That was the one I just looted on the floor, to be honest, but I got like about 20 peck. Yeah, that is rubbish. He hasn't spawned yet, I can't see him. I can't see him in the... He's in the tent somewhere. Oh, there he is. Level 75. To be honest, there's no point in changing the gun, to be honest. It's going to go down like 2 seconds anyway, so... There's far too many people in here, so I'll skip it. Skip the next round if less people disappear off. I just hunt outside. That's rubbish. Time for out. Come back later. My keyboard's sticking, which is not good. Let's hit one outside. Said that last round was pretty appalling because too many people. 5 or 6 people is too many with guns that size. A bunch of noobs in there, maybe 10 noobs. That'll work, but see, that's alright. That's not bad. Over 3 ped, that's alright. I can live with that. A bit close. Take the warriors closer. They are ugly, aren't they? So, they're moldy flumps. Yep, couple of ped and a bit, couple of ped and a half. That's all we really need from these, as long as you use a reasonably eco gun. Laggy. Yeah, my mouse is still. Yeah, my keyboard is sticking. Spacebar sticking a bit, I think. No beetles. Oh, okay. It's also watch my health. It's not so good, is it? I'm going to queue up for the 10 and then take a quick beam right back. That was alright. Oh, there's a guy there, look. Take that hunter behind me. Taking a bit of a hit there. Should be getting close to the respawn for the wave, so I'll give the wave another go, I think. Let's go back up to the tent and wait there. Let me wait in the tent and see. Because I can take a... I'll be right back after that, and then we can hopefully the wave will kick off again. Yeah, okay. Just gonna wait there on the edge. Oh, it's spawned again. Okay, interesting. Well, I'll be right back anyway. Okay, back again. Let's see if the loot's any better this time round. Not quite as many people this time, but I'm sure they'll turn up towards the end. It's often what people do, which is quite annoying, it has been. Let's face it, it's a numbers game, everybody wants a share of something. What have we got? 4 in here. 4's not bad, 4's okay. So when you get more than 4, I think you're pushing it, unless they, or people with higher weapons, of course. See what weapons they're using actually. Have a look later. So we drop a few 20s or something, that'd be awesome. So either way I'm on a roll at the moment. Went out with them 27 pence worth of ammo. Got that back. No, it's not too bad. We've got 30, 50, yeah, well, it was pretty good. Shared loot was my one, most of it was mine. It was all mine, I think. Now watch, now watch them shoot my one. Now watch them just shoot my one. Because I've seen that. Now I see what happens, see what the plans. I'm going on the other side. Oh, here we go, look. It's not the fastest. It's fairly quick. I mean, it shoots. Doesn't do that much damage, but the refire is pretty good. That I only killed one that time because they're burners for ammo like madmen. Clearly, really is dumb. Okay. Or they're all shooting the same one, which means they'll go down very quick. But they can share the loot then. Come on, cat. Off my mouse hand again. Died last time he did that. The cat is a cat, it's not some sort of euphemism. Just in case you're wondering. Clown Warlord. Overseer. I've never seen an Overseer actually. I need to get a few shots of that one just in case. It wasn't worth the effort though, it's to be said. Left the area, and left the area. Just got too close to the edge, that's all. Start shooting your one. There's 2 there and they're all shooting. Some guys shooting the same one as I am. Doesn't make much sense, apart from the fact he's afraid I'm going to swirl without him. In which case I get a shot in that one. He just run it out the... Did he just run that one out? No, he didn't. Okay, I was just wondering. Right, this is the big boss then, I guess. Is it? I don't need any bigger gun because this one's just as fast. So, 9.6. Okay. Just have to look out for it. Come on. Come on, Mr. War Chief. Let's put it on auto fire and go for it. It must be hitting because it's coming after me. So. Out of ammo. I'll have it all done out before this, all my shots are out here. Well, that wasn't too bad, it wasn't horrendous. Got another token. Benefit the tokens is you can trade them for other stuff. But the problem is I'm moving sideways and sideways with my mouse. Now I'm pulling on my wire. Okay, so the event doesn't. Back out. Let's go back out again. So, I think this is quite a cool area, to be honest. But like I say, if there's too many people, forget it. Quite sure what that guy's doing. No idea. He's swinging his sword around at nothing. Side otherwise I can't do it. He's unreachable, forget it. I'll make a visit anyway, so. Let's go around the side. My keyboard is knackered. The space bar's sticking. I wonder why that would be. Must be some nice built on it. I'll stick around this area. I'll soon get this moldy flump mission finished. I do like the fact that they've redesigned them so they don't look exactly like the Pfeffoids. Watch the old health though. Top tip. They're a bit more scruffy looking. And they've got claws. I'm sure that, yeah, Pfeffoids don't have claws, I think. They all used to be sort of Michelin Man like. So they've redefined them a bit so they look a bit different. Heading a bit. The global was on a hunter, I think. There was 2 hunters, I think. Come to think about it. Just got 40 minutes as well. Heading off. 2.5 ped. What we got here? Oh, there's one behind me. I'll take that one then. A few hits. So, I'm gonna give this another 5 minutes. I'm going to take a break and eat something, cook something, eat something, and then I'll be back later, probably with some Ark Survival Evolved. I think I need to check on the server, see what's happening with the base, if anything. Nope. We'll respawn in 30 seconds, so I'm going to kill this one, do the next round, and then we'll work from there. If I can move my mouse cat. I can't move cat if you keep sitting on my mouse. Okay. My gun's probably on its last legs anyway, so not good. Let me eat something. Pill's gone off. Let's kill this one with the pill on again. Somebody's warlord they've brought in from outside, I think. The problem I have with these things is, with these tents, is you get too close to the edge, then you can't see. Back up, can't see anymore. You get your own one, come on. Because you can't leave the lead. Why is he running around? Why does he choose one and stick with it? Skill boost. Really annoys me. Let's see what we're dealing with. Agility 110. Should know better. Should know better. That means he's been around for a while. I can't do anything, can I? It'd be great if I could actually get one for myself. I think this is going to. This is definitely going to be the last round on these, because these are. Oh, what? Annoy the hell out of me. Right, I'm going over this side. Come out of the way, cat. Do not stand on my keyboard, cat. Princess Leia is interrupting. Bloody pets. Not the ones out of game, the ones in game. She's good, aren't you, babe? Princess Leia's good. Good form as soon as she's had a few teeth out. Will you stop pushing my mouse off my keyboard? Oh, I can't shoot. This is why I die. This is how I die, because I can't actually point my mouse over to that side. I hate that one, people. I hate that when that happens. Annoying people. To move my mouse back again. Keep pushing it to the side with me mouse. Can't get to the side of the screen. Oh, somebody shoot that guy's dog. I know. It's not very kind, is it? Stole them all. The Overlord was rubbish last time, if I remember right. I don't bother to shoot up. Still a skill boost on. I'm not sticking around, sorry. This is the last wave. I'm gonna log. So, just the boss guy, and we'll go from there. Shoot him. Shoot the dog. Shoot trigger. Trigger. It's not a horse. Tempted though I might be. Seconds let me down. Why is that guy got lasers on? Oh, crap. 2 lasers on. Really? 4 of us, for God's sake. 5 of us. We don't need any of that crap. Yes. Oh, crappy toe. Right, okay. Gotta go. I shall catch you later. Time for me to log out. Stopping the stream. Thank you for watching. Please, 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 please. Feel free to subscribe. I shall be back later with some Ark Survival, I am sure. Bye for now.